Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can manually retouch a face on CapCut PC using a kind of like Liquify brush tool. So I'm not going to change much on her face. I'm just going to make her like smile because I don't want to change people's like features. And to do that, select your video, go to enhance, and you are going to select manual. And here you can select this bit for the brush, and you can adjust the size and also the strength as well. So I'm just going to make her smile. It doesn't show up that much, but if I move this around, as you can see, it does move a little bit. If I zoom in to her face, kinda. So it does move some features around, but yeah, that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!